A lot of it is touch, but a lot of it is like my face is like right there in the chair.
I kind of do it by memory. You almost can feel if it's right.
When I first started, my golly, I depended on my nails and my fingertips so much to feel for the cane and to feel how it goes under, over, under. Under, over, under, over.
There you go. Here's a cloth.
Okay, thank you.
I was diagnosed with uveitis in 2020, but the uveitis, it's an inflammatory disease. And in the process of getting treatment, I ended up going totally blind for 10 months. Say a little prayer, because I like my fingers. With my disease, I never know if I'm going to wake up with vision or not. No, I can't see this, so I got to ask Pat. Knock, knock. Who's there? Hi. Today I have floaters and flashes, and it's a little bit cloudy, almost as if you're looking through a lava lamp.
I'm totally blind in my left eye and less than 2200 in my right. When I split my eye on the corner of my side table on my bed in 2012, and when they sewed it up, the scar goes right down the center of my vision. And so I have 0 straight lines. Every straight line is curved. So it's more of a distortion than it is, blindness. So it's a definite impairment.
I have no vision in my left eye. I have to work with a magnifying glass for certain things. I've done a lot of chairs. After a while, it's like second nature. Your fingers kind of are on automatic.
Seeing Hand, it's a nonprofit. They offer transportation services, support groups, the fire extinguishers, the chairs, the mops, the brooms. It all makes sure we have a job. It's job security. I kind of forgot about this place until my mother had reminded me that my grandfather was here. He had went blind all of a sudden in his early 30s, which is when I went blind. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of us that do the chairs.
This is a chair that's probably 100 years old.
When I used to do trash, you would see a lot of hand cane chairs in the trash, and the frame would be perfect, but it'd just be the hand cane broke. And now that I work here, I'm like, man, they had no idea we existed. Like, they had no idea for $100 you could bring your chair down here, and it'd be brand new. And you could have a 100, 200, 300, 400-year-old chair sitting in the corner of your dining room. Some of them are stamped, Italy or Germany, and some of them are stamped like Indiana or New York, and you wonder, how did this even come about? You know what I mean? I don't know. My brain can go on forever, and it's just a chair, for gosh sakes. I mean, I won't lie though. I curse it some days. I curse it a lot. Like this chair, what I'm working on now. Yeah, there's a few good stories with that one.
This has been my hardest chair.
Mm-hmm. You take your time with it.
Trust me, I have taken my time with it. A lot of the time you talk to the chair. If it's not going very easy, you don't say very nice things. Once you get going, though, it's pretty cool.
When I first started working here, I was depressed. I gained a lot of weight. I was on a lot of meds. I was up and down, back and forth. Some days I'd come here and just cry, like, should have even came. And then you meet these people and you hear all their stories and you see what they've had to overcome and that they smile and they laugh every day. It got me out of my funk. It brought my confidence back.
Before this job, my activities outside of the house were 45 minutes at the grocery store. Basically was stuck in the house for, 10 years.
Most people have really no idea what certain things can do to you when you're vision impaired. And it's nice to have people, if you explain to them, they know what you mean. They all have a good sense of humor, so that's good. So we laugh a lot, and that kind of helps us, I think.
What is this shape? What shape? This. I love you.
And they're like brothers and sisters. It looks like a barn.
Oh my golly sauce. So this place is so much more than just, paycheck.
This is my second home. Let's put it like that.